Groups in Microsoft Entra ID streamline access management, enhancing security and promoting collaboration across Microsoft 365 applications like Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, and custom applications. There are four primary types of group. Microsoft 365 groups are ideal for project collaboration and resource sharing within Microsoft 365 applications. They include a shared inbox, calendar, document library, and more, making them suitable for small to medium sized teams. Security groups essential for access control, granting permission to files, folders, application, and resources. They simplify security management by enabling easy assignment or revocation of permission for multiple users at once. Distributions group used primarily for email communication, enabling the distribution of announcement, newsletters, and other bulk email without individual recipients. They focus on efficiently sending message to large group but do not handle security permission. Mail enable security groups combining features of security and distribution groups. They offer both access control and email capabilities, crucial for groups requiring both security management and communications. Please note that only Microsoft 365 groups and security groups are manageable through the Microsoft Graph Group API, while distribution groups and mail-enabled security groups are read-only. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more tutorials.